Today I am filming a video from League where I'm gonna throw one bowling ball the whole time no matter what, and it's gonna be, it's gonna be this really shiny Bigfoot hybrid. And I make that face because usually I don't like shiny balls at all. Currently I'm averaging 234, that's the score to beat. Let's go try and get it. Please work. Now that I'm ready to go to League, I don't know if that's the ball. I'm gonna throw it anyway. However, I usually throw my Purple Hammer Reactive, which is really like a smoother, weaker ball, and this is gonna be slightly stronger, not smooth at all. I just really hope it works out, because as I told you, I'm throwing it for 3 games, no matter what. And the next time you'll see me, hopefully, is not frying out at North Rock, hopefully. With that being said, the goal of tonight, calm, cool, collected. And shoot 300 and 800, obviously.
Oh. Hook. Hey. Hook a lot.
Real quick, I don't know if you guys have heard about it yet. We're doing a 90,000 ball giveaway. We're not giving away 90,000 balls. We're doing a 90,000 subscriber giveaway where we're giving away 30 balls in December if we can reach 90,000. I'll be giving away a ball every day for the rest of the year starting December 1st. So the quicker we get there, the more balls we're gonna give away. So I need your help. Click that subscribe button and we'll be giving them away hopefully soon. 278 points of total score, game 1. I'm in my room because it was a little bit loud in the bowling alley, but I'm gonna tell you guys that I laid this ball out, even though I shot 278, I laid this ball out a little too strong. It's gonna be a 4x5x5 two-handed layout system, and for all of you guys who are saying,
Andy, try the two-handed layout system.
now I'm doing it, and now I'm shooting 278s all the time. Also, I laid it out too strong, and I'll show you guys why these next 2 games.
So bad. Come on. All right. Next time. That's a 7-10. Big messenger. Oh, please hook. Hey.
$227. Like I said, I laid the ball out a little too strong. I didn't make 12 amazing shots, but I made some really good shots along the way. And some of those shots that were just a little up the back or a little around the side, they didn't quite hook in the right part of the lane. So they either left a flat 7.
Oh, please hook.
Or a wrap 7. And with that, on the fill shot of the game, I actually tried something where I moved back a little left and threw it harder to see if I could keep it on line a little longer, and my ball just didn't really hook down lane. With that, game 3, I'm going to try lofting it a little bit, getting it over the fronts. Because this is a hybrid, it should hook in the middle part of the lane still, even when I do loft it. Looking forward to game 3. I'm going to loft it a little bit, and hopefully that does the trick.
Oh, hello. And hook the second touch the lane. That's
Midway through game 3, I thought I'd just tell you a few stats about the ball. And on buddiesproshop.com, the Bigfoot features the same core as the original Bigfoot with an RG of 2.46 and a differential of 0.53. The Bigfoot Hybrid is a strong symmetrical ball, and now with the addition of the HK22 cover stock, it's a super Bigfoot. The HK22 cover stock should help the ball read in the middle of the lane and not lose energy as it goes through the pins, and that's what we're seeing as I loft it. I think I just laid it out too strong, as I said, so I'm having to loft it here so it doesn't hook in the fronts. But when I do loft it, as you can see, it's definitely hooking in the middle, and it's definitely going through the pins sideways. Now let's get back to finishing game 3.
oh! Flash. Oh, no. Okay.
I shot 750. Thank God it was above my average. 278 to start. As you saw, the ball got a little tired there. Middle of game 2, beginning of game 3, I started to have to loft it a little bit. Game 3, and that brought the energy back to the ball down lane. But this ball is definitely smooth enough for game 1, and I think if I drilled it more of a normal layout, and it would have just floated through the fronts and gave me a good snap down lane instead of having to have to do that myself. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And if you guys want to watch more ball reviews or vlogs like this, you can just click the playlist up here or over here. And until the next one, peace.